So, peace and blessings on the children. Yeti people been a cracking teeth to holler my name out here. Ah, yes, alaikum salam.
Shukran jazilan.
Ah.
Thank you so much for your sharing from the hearts, from the earth. I cried when
Did
you
you?
were talking yesterday.
Yes.
You really touched me so much, and I'm really
Beautiful.
grateful.
Yes.
From Morocco.
Ah,
we're
you
grateful
are.
for your love and for your sharing and
Yes.
for everything you're giving to
Beautiful.
everyone around.
From your home also.
Yes.
Thank you about everything you are doing to keep our heritage.
Yes.
Because they take it far from
Yes.
us, but you still
Keep it alive.
yeah, so
Yes.
thank you so much for that.
Thank you, Brother
You are
Ibrahim.
always welcome at home.
Yes, thank you.
Telling you that we are waiting for you. I
Yes,
hope you will do it.
I will come to Benin. Yes,
You are welcome.
thank you so much. And I've been to Morocco.
Have you?
Yes, I was at the UN COP in Marrakesh.
Oh, I was there.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, and then we went out to the valleys and we toured with the people. And so I said I want to come back because I want to go to other
Morocco
places. Yeah,
There is a lot
there's a
there.
lot there.
From trauma to beauty.
To
you
beauty,
know?
yes.
That's both.
There's
Lots of
both.
things to heal.
Yes,
Lots of things to heal there.
yes, but we can all heal the world together.
Yes.
This is the blessing.
Love.
This is the blessing. Love to
Always
you,
love.
Sister Salima, Brother Ibrahim. You are a blessing to me.
Thank you so much.
Yes.